How to fix the issue with Charles Schwab application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Charles Schwab application not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to head towards Google Play Store or Apple Store if you're an iOS device. Then after, search for Charles Schwab. If you see the option of update beside it, click on it and do update the application. After that, now you need to head towards the setting of Charles Schwab application. So tap and hold on the app icon and click on App Info. In the settings, you will see the option of storage. Simply click on it and click on Clear Cache, as sometimes collected cache can also affect the application's performance. After you have cleared the cache, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to uninstall the application and reinstall it. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Charles Schwab application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.